Okay, everyone. So the next step is going to be working on our Highscore sprite. So just make sure you have that clicked. Once there, we're first going to set up the Highscore. So we wanted to make sure that it's working before we're able to use what we actually have here in order to display it. So really quickly, we're going to work on the art first. So if you click on the Highscore sprite, you're going to go ahead and go into costumes. You're going to do similar things that you did to the score sprite. So you have a couple of options. The first one being you can go ahead and use the paint bucket tool. You can go ahead and change the color of what you have. If you want to make it a bit more fun after changing the outline color, you can also change the inner color. You can even use the brush tool, and I will suggest lowering it to maybe a 1 or a 2. And then you can also do different things to it. So maybe your game is a little bit of a Halloween inspired one. You can go ahead and add, for example, horns or a tail to your numbers. So there's other things that you can do to decorate it as well, just so that it either has more of the feeling of what you have for the game itself. So since my game is Christmas themed, maybe I would make a I think it's called a mistletoe. So I'll just add some leaves here and then change this color to a red and make sure that it's nice and vibrant. Okay. And see here, I just made it a little bit more of a Christmas theme, and I can go ahead and now do that to the rest of them as well. So take your time customizing all of these. If, for example, you do not like the number, you can also do what we did for the score as well, where you can quickly convert it to bitmap. You can click on the text tool, pick the font that you want, make sure that it's the same number as the number that you have here. Use your select tool and just resize it so it's about the size that you actually have for the actual number. Move it back and then click on the old number and delete it. And then this way you can go ahead and do the similar things that you did for the previous one for this one as well. So you have the option of either doing the same thing you did to the score or making it completely different. Either or is perfect for this. But once you're done, you're going to move on to then adding the code for it.